Start. Okay, good morning to all. Today, now we are discussing about the human resource accounting. Okay, it is one of the new advanced version of the accounting discipline. The human resource account, normally accounting means the recording the day-to-day transaction and summarizing the data in a significant manner and to interpreting the results and communicating the results to the interested parties of both internal and external. So the accounting will helpful for the internal peoples mean within the organization people and also the external peoples of government, tax authorities and everything. It will be helpful for to proceeding the further financial planning. Now we are discussing about the human resource accounting means the traditional financial accounting will believe only the monetary transactions which are recorded into the books of accounts, but only the quantitative factors are recording in the books of accounts, the non-qualitative factors of the labor, skill, talents, experience, so these kind of the things are not included. The human beings is one of the most valuable assets for each and every organization. So the ignorance of the human values, it will be the massive impact for the organizational financial needs. So that's why to recover this, so it is one of the new advanced version. It will be in after 1960 itself. The HR is more popular in US and UK. Now after the 20th century, now we are in the 21st century, the HR is more popular in Indian context. Before going that, what do you mean by the HRA, that is human resource accounting. So the human resource accounting means it is a tool that used to managing the human resource effectively to get the desired results. Okay, in simple sense, the human resource accountings mean the putting the monetary value of the human skill. It will be noted as the value should be noted at the asset side of the balance sheet in each and everything, because the quality workforce will determining the success and depends on the organization. Maximum in the management context, the KRA is very important. KRA defines that the key results areas in financial, the HRA is one of the major plan, because the ultimate success of the organizations will depends upon the few persons, either maybe in a administrative or in a non-administrative persons. So the entire success of the organizations will depends upon that particular persons mean. Definitely we are putting the value. Based upon that particular value, we want to go for that. For example, in a top MNC company CEOs, there are the most valuable assets. So instead of their talent, skills and experience, they will be earning crores and crores to the Indian context. So now we are discussing about what are the unique features of the human resource accounting mean. It will be considered in the measurement of the human capital. So automatically we are putting the monetary value, we are recognizing the human talents, so that's why it is very important. Next one, investment in training and development. Okay, so here that there are the two type of expenses normally done by the each and every organization. One is the revenue expenditure and another one is the capital expenditure. So revenue expenditures mean it will be the maintaining the earning capacity of the organization, but in case of the capital expenditures mean it will be generate or improving and to maintaining the sufficient profitability of the enterprises. So the investments in the training and development is treated as a investment. It yield some profitability, and that means the benefit to the each and every organization in day-to-day life. And next one is employees valuation. Automatically, so this HRE is very useful for at the time of recruitment, to fixing the salary, to giving the increment and promotion, everything. It is very important things. And next one is reporting and disclosure. So automatically the monetary values putting in the human assets mean automatically it will be go for the appraisal schemes mean it is very useful for to further capital planning. And next one is a strategical decision making. So automatically in a human resource department, we take the strategical move to one level to next level based upon the HR values. And next one, the objectives of human resource accounting mean first one is valuation of already. We already discussed that the valuation of the human assets mean before the traditional concept, the qualitative factors are not considered. See, this HRA will recognizing the human capital. And next one is better decision making. the timely and accurate decision making can be possible only in the form of to implementation of HRA. And next one is justification of the HR investment. So automatically whether the management can know whether our investments is sufficient for human capital, whether the training and development or to improvement of the quality of workforce is needed is based upon the HRA we want to take up. And next one is improved the performance measure. So in HRA we are measuring the certain standards to the companies, so automatically it will be comparing to actual and planning. Automatically any deviation can be take place mean it will be overcome. And next one is stakeholders communication. So time to time the basic objectives of all the accounting process will communicating the results to the interested parties, especially for the owner and external shareholders. So both of them are should know that whether the investment it kept in the ideal or it will be generating the earnings or not. It will be depends upon the human resource accounting.